The lockdown in plain sight shelf is a cleverly designed storage solution that keeps your valuables hidden in plain sight. It features a discreet design that blends seamlessly into any room, making it look like an ordinary shelf. The shelf opens easily with magnetic access, revealing a customizable compartment where you can store important items. For added security, it integrates with the puck system, allowing you to monitor and control the shelf from your smartphone. Perfect for home or business use, it combines style, functionality, and security in one sleek package. The FEMELI Acrylic Tissue Box cover is a stylish and functional tissue dispenser designed to add a modern touch to any room. Made from durable acrylic, this rectangular tissue holder features a sleek black finish that complements various decor styles. It's perfect for use in the bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, or office. The magnet locking bottom ensures that the tissue box stays securely in place, making it easy to refill when needed. With its clean lines and practical design, this tissue holder is both an attractive and useful addition to your space. The anti-theft outdoor package delivery drop box is a clever and practical solution for securing your packages. Designed to look like a hedge, this drop box blends seamlessly into your outdoor environment, keeping your deliveries hidden and safe from potential thieves. It's easy to use, just place it near your front door or porch, and delivery drivers can leave packages inside. This helps prevent stolen items and gives you peace of mind, knowing your packages are secure even when you're not home. Ideal for anyone who receives frequent deliveries and wants to protect their parcels from theft. The Invisible Cabinet Lock is a high-tech security solution that keeps your cabinets, drawers, or secret panels secure and out of sight. This hidden NFC lock uses RFID technology to open and close, making it perfect for liquor cabinets, concealed shelves, or any wooden furniture where you want to keep items safe and private. It comes with a USB cable for power, and the DIY installation is simple. With this lock, you can ensure that your valuables are protected without visible locks or keys, adding an extra layer of security and convenience to your home. The Light Bulb Safe Box is a clever diversion safe that looks just like a regular light bulb, but hides a secret compartment inside. Perfect for storing small valuables, this realistic decoy blends seamlessly with your home decor, keeping your belongings safe in plain sight. Whether you need to stash cash, jewelry, or other small items, this light bulb safe provides a discreet and secure hiding spot. It's a smart and simple way to protect your valuables without drawing attention. The Photo Picture Frame Diversion Safe is a functional and discreet way to secure your valuables. This 5x7 frame looks like a regular picture frame, but it hides a secret compartment inside, perfect for storing money, cash, or other small items. It also includes a fireproof and waterproof bag for added security, ensuring your valuables are protected from potential disasters. This safe is a clever addition to any home, offering both security and style while keeping your belongings hidden in plain sight. The Diversion Safe Stash Can is a cleverly disguised safe that looks just like a regular corn can, but hides a secret compartment inside. It's perfect for securely storing cash, keys, or other small valuables in plain sight, making it nearly impossible for would-be thieves to find. This stash can is an ideal choice for anyone looking to keep their belongings safe without drawing attention.